So today I wanted to do a little video just going over some of the new Redken shades. If you want to check out another video where I do a live model, I have it on my YouTube and Instagram. But today I just want to talk about the shades and then apply some different ones on a doll head so you can see what they look like and how fun and beautiful they are. So these are some of the shades I am going to use on a doll head. I am going to use the 4RV and the 4CB. Now everything is applied, I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit for about 15-20 minutes, and I'm excited to see the after. For the front, I used the same 4CB and 4RV, but I added equal parts of the 5RV. I just wanted it to be a little less rich and a little bit more brown in that formula. So you can see it's a nice, dark, rich base with a little bit more brown to it. And then through the ends, I pulled through 7cc, the Flame Shadesy Q, super vibrant and beautiful. They all marry really well together. I feel like you can be like a chef in the kitchen, mixing and matching. How beautiful those tones are. Lots of dimension and movement. And that smudged base just really gives her like a nice lived in low light. All in all, the new colors are phenomenal and I'm excited to play.